Causes of vertical lines on your nails and what to do about it. Nail ridges appear naturally as you grow older, but you can make them less noticeable. Most of us want strong, healthy nails, sans acrylic or press-ons. If you've got ridges on your fingernails or brittle nails, peeling nails, or yellow nails, you might feel a little insecure about the state of your digits. While there are lots of reasons for fingernail ridges, thankfully, there are also a number of ways to get rid of them. Keep reading to learn more about the different types of fingernail ridges, what causes them, and how to improve your overall nail health, according to dermatologists. Keep reading to learn more about the different types of fingernail ridges, what causes them, and how to improve your overall nail health, according to dermatologists. Types of fingernail ridges. Although everyone's nail ridges may look a little different, most can be lumped into two categories. Vertical fingernail ridges. Vertical nail ridges are raised lines that run from your cuticle to the tip of your fingernail, and are a super common, normal sign of aging. The skin under the nail plate loses some structural integrity and becomes wrinkled, much like other areas of aging skin. Horizontal fingernail ridges. Horizontal nail ridges, lines that run from side to side, are known as Beau's lines. These are less common than vertical ridges, but equally pesky. When horizontal ridges occur in a single nail, it's usually due to trauma to the nail matrix, the area where your fingernails start to grow. Things like picking your nails, jamming the cuticle back, or getting your finger caught in the door can cause a dent in the conveyor belt. So future nail plates are produced with a ridge, she explains. But don't fret, the ridges aren't permanent, and once they grow out, your nails will be back to business as usual. What causes ridges on fingernails? What causes ridges on fingernails? Ridges on fingernails can be caused by a number of things, and in most cases they are benign and nothing to worry about. Horizontal ridges on fingernails causes. Horizontal ridges, aka Beau's lines, often happen when your body undergoes significant periods of stress and your nail stops growing, says Dr. Lal. Severe viral infections and illnesses. Fever, kidney disease, nutritional deficiencies such as iron, zinc, or vitamin A. Damage associated with acrylic nails or other nail trauma. Raynaud's disease, stress, thyroid disease. Vertical ridges on fingernails causes. Vertical ridges, aka trachyonychia, can be caused by a number of things, Dr. Lal explains, including dehydration, skin conditions like eczema or psoriasis, autoimmune disease such as alopecia areata, aging, nutritional deficiencies such as iron, zinc, or vitamin A, thyroid disease, alopecia. How to prevent ridges on fingernails. While there's no guaranteed way to prevent nail ridges, especially if they are due to an underlying condition, overall nail maintenance can go a long way in keeping your nails smooth, strong, and healthy. Most importantly, do your best to avoid nail damage, especially the kind associated with manicures. Some people go to salons and get their nails drilled and sanded, and I don't recommend doing that because if you have brittle nails they can actually make your nails thinner, which can make them easier to crack, explains Dr. Lal. It can also help to apply clear nail hardeners, which can help strengthen the nail, smoothen out the nail surface, and prevent the nails from getting damaged, Dr. Lal adds. How to get rid of ridges on fingernails. So what can you do about fingernail ridges that have made themselves a permanent fixture on your digits? Here's what dermatologists recommend. 1. Moisturize your nails regularly. Keeping your nails hydrated with a hand cream or oil can minimize the appearance of ridging and protect the keratin of the nail. If your nails are also on the brittle side, the American Academy of Dermatology recommends moisturizing your skin and nails thoroughly before bed and wearing light cotton gloves to help your nails absorb the moisturizer while you snooze. 2. Keep your nails neat. Keeping your nails on the shorter side can help prevent trauma to the nail during your day-to-day grind. Just make sure to not go overboard with trimming. Constant trimming or cutting your nails may cause them to develop ridges. Clip your nails with the standard nail clipper such as Harperton nail clippers only when there's visible white, and don't clip so low that there's no longer white present. 3. Don't pick at or bite your nails. The skin, including nails, responds to outside stimuli by thickening. By not picking at your nails or the skin around them, you're decreasing the chances of causing nail irregularities. Identifying the triggers that cause you to pick at or bite your nails and learning how to manage them can help you hit the brakes on future nail damage. 4. Buff them gently. While it doesn't treat the underlying problem that's causing your fingernail ridges, gently buffing your nails can help camouflage them in a pinch. Be very judicious with your use of nail buffers, as these thin the nail plate out, which can make them softer, too flexible, and prone to trauma and breakage. Using a 4-way nail buffer like this one from Deborah Lippman, use each of the 4 steps to gently sand, smooth, shine, and file your nails. 5. Don't mess with your cuticle. You can prevent traumatic ridges by not picking or shoving your cuticle back. The cuticle is the only barrier the fingers have to keep dirt and infections out of the tissues of the fingers. 6. Reduce water exposure. Wash your hands when it's necessary, but try not to overdo it. Washing your hands too often strips your skin of its natural oils and emollients, resulting in dryness and even hand eczema, which can cause nail changes. The nail cells absorb water, expand, and then contract when they dry out, which can weaken the bonds between nail cells over time. 7. Maintain a healthy diet. It's rare, but ridging can sometimes be a sign of an underlying systemic condition or vitamin deficiency. Eating a well-balanced diet, staying on top of signs of dehydration, drinking enough H20 can help ensure you're meeting the daily vitamin quota necessary to fend off nail ridges. And when you amp up your diet, keep foods that are known to promote healthy nail growth top of mind. Think dairy products, milk, cottage cheese, plain Greek yogurt, biotin veggies, eggs, nuts, and zinc lean meats, fish, spinach, mushrooms. 8. Use a prescription strength nail hardener. There are many ways that you can strengthen brittle nails. If you're experiencing nail breakage or splitting along with ridges, your dermatologist can prescribe a topical nail strengthener. In-store hardeners typically contain formaldehyde, which can temporarily harden nails in the short term, but ongoing use can actually cause the nails to become more brittle and weak. 9. Add a ridge filler to your manicure routine. Unfortunately, nail polish doesn't hide ridges, it can actually draw more attention to them. Ridge fillers, followed by nail polish, can help smooth out the look of nail ridges. Ridge fillers operate much like a base coat that settles into the nooks and crannies of your nails, giving you a smooth canvas to work with. 10. Choose polish that is easier on your nails. Go with typical nail polish for your manicures, which is less damaging to your nails than acrylic or gel. The procedure of applying the acrylic and gel nails involves physical abrasion of the surface of the nail to enhance adhesion of these cosmetics, which damages the nail.